called cucunci in Sicilian, and that means like it is a caper berry. So it's the normal capers, they're intense in aroma, and they're the unopened flower buds of the bush.
And they're about this long.
No, those are the cucunci. Capers are the buds.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Capers are the bunch.
They're harvested by hand
Yeah.
and early in the morning, and traditionally they're dry salted, and
Yeah.
you can buy them all over
Yeah.
the world in a little bottle.
But the best
they're-
ones come from the Iolian Island. But then, the berries, they're about this long. I love them even more than the other
Yeah.
capers. And all it means is that it goes into a flower, and then what's left over, it's actually about this long.
elongated.
Yeah, it's like like my finger. But anyway, and they are then also put into brine, like salt and stuff like that.
Yeah, so they're salted, pickled or salted, and eaten. But they are crucial for that soup.